Now I request all my students to put their mics on and give a hearty congratulation applause to our today.
Congratulations.
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 Congrats.
Congrats.
Congratulations.
Yay.
Congratulations. What, what, what a fish market. I always like to say that. Okay, but Christine, come. Champion, where are you? Where is my champion of the day?
I'm right here.
Okay, there you are in the corner. Just hold on. And where am I? I can't find myself. But okay, it doesn't matter. I've reached in the other room. Sorry, we are divided in two rooms. So there you are. Christina, start talking.
Oh, I I I don't know where to begin. I am so happy and so thankful to Ambrish and to all of you who've been my community for so long. And I went into the exam today, and Ambrish knows I was very nervous, and I'm a person who prepares and prepares and prepares. And he's so right. In some ways, when you're someone who's like that, and I've taught in university and done all of those things, but somehow I thought it was almost harder for me because I had to trust that I just really had to do what he was saying and stop trying to read too much into the questions. He's so right. If he'll teach you just exactly what you need to know, if you put in the work, there's no question that, and you stay calm, there's no question that you will pass. And he's also so right when he says that you you're not going to think you're ready. I did like 25 quizzes a day for the week before, and I kept passing them and passing them, and I was thinking, I don't know how this magic happens that I'm passing these, and why do they seem so simple now when I couldn't make head or tails of them in the beginning? And then yet I still was afraid, and probably maybe some of you are like that. It's like you, because you're being successful, you think, oh boy, what a dummy I'll be if I fail after all of this. And you are my favorite fish market. All of you.
Tina, Christine. Last night we did, no, last night because this morning we did the quiz together. The things that I told you and how to approach the exams and the small things I told you, you don't need to repeat them. But was that of any significance to you when you were doing your exams?
That was absolutely so helpful because I realized that it put me in the right frame of mind, because no matter what you know in your brain, if you're not sitting up straight, breathing well, making yourself putting yourself in the right state of mind, it doesn't matter what you know. Your brain will start playing tricks on you and saying, "Oh, that's wrong." And I was, because of what Ambrish told me this morning, just and how he said it, I could hear his voice, and it's right. He says you'll hear my voice, and I have to say I love the way you speak. You have such a gift, not only for speaking other languages, but I'm sure that many have told you what a great communicator you are, and there is your voice and the tone and the passion you put into it really stayed with me. And I felt, I owed it to myself, and I owed it to you to follow through with this. So I have my happy sunflower earrings on.
I know. I saw you. I told you yesterday also. I know you'll pass tomorrow. And this morning I told you before you left that you're going to pass. Keep that in mind. Remember, you're going to pass today, and you can call
That's right.
the party. I'm so happy. And I told the people also, you're living in a very remote place in Sicily, and not having a car is like a big handicap for you. And now you have the liberty to go wherever you please, whenever you please, and nobody can stop you. How does that make you feel?
That makes me feel absolutely wonderful, and I'm not at all afraid of taking the driving test. I'm looking forward to it because I know I'll get some good instruction on on how to really drive in these conditions.
Right, that's true. And remember, you told me you'll be my ambassador. I'll wait for that, Christina. And also, I delivered my promise. I said I'll make you pass your theory, and I delivered it. Now, since I wish you well, because when you join my class, you become my people. You're all my people, whether you know it or not. So when you're going for the practical exams, remember the autoscola will do everything in their power to not make you pass in the first try, because the moment you fail in the first try, they'll send you 10 more hours, and that's another 500 euros. So, I'll tell you 4 days before. I'm very methodical. 4 days before your exam, exactly what you need to do, what your autoscola did not tell you. And then afterwards, 2 hours before the exam, you need to hear my voice again, and you'll pass in the first try. Okay. So,
I trust you, and I will do that.
all right. And you can come whenever you feel like saying hello to your fish market. Come again. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you
Bye.
very much, Tracy. You made us all very happy. Thanks a lot.